Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 1st, 2024, and we have a lineup of intriguing stories from the world of Apple technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Apple has reportedly ended its discussions to invest in OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT. This decision comes as OpenAI's funding round, expected to raise around $6.5 billion, is nearing its close. Despite Apple's withdrawal, other tech giants like Microsoft and Nvidia remain involved, with Microsoft planning to add another $1 billion to its previous investments. Apple's exit is surprising, given its recent moves to integrate ChatGPT into Siri across iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia. However, internal issues at OpenAI, including key executive departures, may have influenced Apple's decision. Nevertheless, Apple plans to proceed with the ChatGPT integration, allowing users to access the AI tool for free by year's end. In legal news, Apple is seeking to dismiss the anti-steering injunction from the Epic Games lawsuit. The injunction required Apple to allow developers to direct users to alternative payment methods outside the App Store. Apple argues that recent legal precedents support its request to lift the injunction, claiming there's no evidence users would prefer Epic's platform if the rules were relaxed. This legal battle could reshape Apple's App Store policies and its relationship with Epic Games. Apple TV Plus is revising its movie strategy after underwhelming box office results from high-budget films like Killers of the Flower Moon and Napoleon. The company is now focusing on limited theatrical releases to qualify for awards, while primarily marketing films as streaming titles on Apple TV+. This shift is evident in the limited release of Wolves, starring George Clooney and Brad Pitt, before its streaming debut. Apple plans to continue its $1 billion film budget, but will produce fewer high-budget films, with most budgets under $100 million. The ongoing Epic Games lawsuit has taken another turn as a second judge suggested Apple may have been dishonest. The case involves Epic's attempt to bypass Apple's App Store commission with its own payment system. Apple has been ordered to produce a vast number of documents, but its recent request for an extension was denied, with the judge criticizing Apple's transparency. This ruling further challenges Apple's credibility in the case. In the realm of augmented reality, Apple and Meta are competing for dominance. Apple recently launched the Vision Pro headset, while Meta introduced the Orion prototype AR glasses. Meta's approach is more public, showcasing its ambitions, whereas Apple's future AR plans remain secretive. Both companies face technological challenges and consumer resistance, but their different strategies highlight the complexities of AR development. Apple has made strides in Bluetooth audio with the AAC ELD codec, enhancing voice quality during calls. This new codec, available in AirPods 3, AirPods Pro, AirPods Max, and Beats Fit Pro, operates at a higher sample rate, improving voice clarity. While not offering full HD voice quality, it's a significant improvement over previous codecs. However, Bluetooth's data transfer constraints still limit audio quality, indicating a need for fundamental changes in bidirectional audio transmission. A new app, PurePlates, is simplifying the cooking process by focusing on essential recipe elements. Users can extract recipes from the web, eliminating distractions like ads and lengthy narratives. The app features a clutter-free cooking mode, guiding users step-by-step through recipes. It's free to download and compatible with iPhones running iOS 17.5 or later. The developer ensures user privacy by not collecting any data. An issue with installing apps on the new iPhone 16 Pro using Xcode has been reported. Users faced problems with mounting the developer disk image due to missing variants. A developer tools engineer provided solutions, including running a command in terminal or downloading Xcode 16.1 Beta 2. Users are advised to upgrade to Xcode 16.0 for iPhone 16 support. A new app, YRedesign for Hacker News, offers a modern redesign of the Hacker News website. It features a dark mode, improved spacing, and larger touch targets for easier navigation. Available for iOS devices, the app is priced at 99 cents and supports family sharing. The developer ensures privacy by not collecting user data. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay curious and stay informed.